Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick Shopify store currently unavailable. Let's get started. So there's actually two reasons on why it is actually viewing that specific issue. So for example, the Shopify has some server issues. That's one of the reasons. So what we can do is you can head over and search for is Shopify down. So search for this, click on the Shopify status, and they have in here an actual representation of if your Shopify is actually down. So if Shopify is down, that may be the reason why you can't open your Shopify store. But in this case, that Shopify is operational, the second reason can be around your DNS. So for example, what is DNS? So you can see in here that DNS actually means that it's a phone book of the internet, and it is actually used for access information online through domain names like NY Times and all these things right here. So head over to your device and then search in here for DNS. Then once you have searched for DNS right here, you can actually look up your DNS right here, and we can see if your DNS of your actual store or Shopify is actually checking out. If that isn't the case, then maybe it's actually not really good for you because this DNS actually makes your page functional. So you need to fix that DNS in order to access your Shopify again. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.